What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. The Smoking Beard here, bringing you another easy to follow recipe that will leave your guests wanting more. In today's video, I will walk you through the steps I take to upgrade your store-bought cinnamon rolls to the next level. But before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up with the latest and greatest my channel has to offer. To start off, you will need a 9 by 13 inch pan, your Pillsbury Grand Cinnamon Rolls, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You're going to need some cinnamon to taste, a half a cup of melted butter, and some non-stick cooking spray. Start by covering the pan with the non-stick cooking spray and place the cinnamon rolls in the pan. Add a half cup of heavy cream directly onto the rolls. Combine the melted butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon and pour it directly onto the rolls. Cover the pan and bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove from the oven and uncover your cinnamon rolls. Spread the icing provided with the cinnamon rolls evenly. Remove from the pan and enjoy. Adding that extra goodness at the bottom is optional but highly recommended. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.